Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your username in Discord. If you want to switch up your Discord identity or fix that old cringe username, here's how you can easily change it. First of all, open up the Discord application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the U button at the bottom right corner and tap on that. Inside the U menu, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner, and then this will open up settings. Click on accounts and under account information tap on username. Go ahead and erase your current username and type down the new one. And once you are done, click on save at the top right. Now you'll need to verify your password. Enter your password to complete the change and click on done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your username on Discord. And that's it. Your Discord username is now updated. Make sure to let your friends know about your new tag if they can't find you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.